Alright, so I wanted to make a video on how to install Node.js and NPM in your machines. And the idea for this video is that you install it once, and then if you have to downgrade or upgrade to a specific version, you can just do it with one command. And for this, we're going to use a very famous tool called NPM, also known as Node Version Manager. So let's just get to it. I do not have NPM or Node installed in my machines, as you can see. So I wrote a guide for this, and I'll attach this gist and the article for the installation guide in the description for this video. So I hope you like it. The first thing we will do is I'll just come up in my terminal and I'll type this. What it's doing is it's just installing Node, and I'll just quit my editor and restart it again, and then I'll type in NVM ls. So what it just outputted was something like NPM installed, but I don't have the default version or the unstable version for Node installed. So let's just see what the stable and the unstable version is. The stable version is 12.18.1 and the unstable is 14.4.0, right? Sorry. So what I want to do is I want to install this latest version. So what I'll just come up here, I'll say NVM install 14.4.0, and let's see. It shouldn't take that long, and once this is done, cool, it's done. I'll do NodeJS 14, so it says version 14.4.0 installed, and for my NPM version it says 6.14.5 installed. Now how about I just install the stable version as well? That's one of the coolest things about NVM, is that you can have multiple versions of Node.js installed in your machine. So I'm just going to go npm install 12.18.1. Again, this shouldn't take that long, depending on your internet. And once that's done, I'll just come up here. I'll do node-v. It says version 12.18.1 installed, and for npm-v it says 6.14.5 is installed in my machines. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can I'm just going to nvm use 14.4.0, npm 14.4.0, because this is what I generally use in my machines. And yeah, this was it. I just ended up installing Node and npm on my machines using NVM, and the process didn't take me more than a couple of minutes. Why NVM is important? Imagine that you're a freelancer, you're working on different projects for different companies, and for each company that you're working for, they're using different versions of Node. Some might be using the latest version, and some might be using the unstable version for Node, or some might, I don't know, some might be using an old deprecated version for Node.js based on their requirements. With NVM, it's just very easy to switch context, and even if you're a developer, it's just very simple. That the other conventional way would have been to uninstall the previous version of Node and then come up on this website and then click this button, install a package, and it's just a lot of problem. With NVM, things become very simple, and I hope you found this helpful. Again, the entire description for each and every one of these commands is available in the description below, and have fun. Bye.